in previous class we have seen the effect of temperature and oxygen on the growth of bacteria. Today we'll see the effect of pH on the growth of bacteria. So first of all we'll see what is pH. So pH is defined as negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. So this pH is also going to decide the growth of microorganisms. So generally microorganisms change the pH either by producing acid or basic metabolites. So the optimum pH is of course required by the organisms for their growth. So now we'll see the different organisms based on the pH requirement. So the microorganisms of different types based on the pH requirement. The first class of microorganisms, the first class of bacteria based on pH requirement, there are acidophiles. So acidophiles, acido means the organisms, they can survive at acidic pH, for example pH 0 to 0.5. The example for this acidophile is Picrophilus. Picrophilus. The second category of organisms based on pH requirement are neutrophiles. So these neutrophiles, they can survive at the pH range 5.5 to 8.0. Next, the third category of organisms are alkalophiles. These organisms, they can survive at 8.5 to 11.5. The example for this alkalophiles are nitrobacteria. Nitrobacteria. So these are the four classes of bacteria based on pH requirement, pH range at which the microorganisms, the bacteria can able to grow and survive. The fourth affecting factor is light. So the photosynthetic microorganisms such as cyanobacteria, microalgae and photosynthetic bacteria which require light for energy production. But there are certain microorganisms who do not require light. So generally the microorganisms which cannot synthesize their own food or do not require any kind of light. But photosynthetic microorganisms require light. Next, salt concentration and water activity. So based on these factors, microorganisms are divided into two classes, halophiles and osmophiles. Halophiles means halo, H-A-L-O-P-H-I-L-E-S, halophiles. So halophiles means which require high level of salt, sodium chloride, NaCl to grow. So the example under this halophiles is we can include halobacterium. So the microorganisms which require higher concentration of salt, for example sodium chloride, for their growth and survival are called as halophiles. The example is halobacterium. And the second category of organisms are osmophiles which require more amount of water for their growth, osmotic pressure which are required for their growth and development. The example is Staphylococcus aureus. Staphylococcus aureus. So these are the physical factors which affecting the growth of microorganisms. So with this, the topic was completed.
రికార్డ్ చేసుకుంటున్నా.
క్లాస్ చెప్పావా?
రికార్డరే.
రికార్డ్ చేసావా? బా ఇప్పుడు అదే వాళ్ళకి ఇంపిను వాళ్ళకి ఒకటి చెప్పు.
బట్టలు అయిపోయినా సార్ మిషన్ అయ్యి తను సామి ఆ బట్టలు వేసేసి 15 minutes